Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating yet chilling topic, the top 10 theories on how the Earth might meet its end. From cataclysmic natural disasters to advanced technological threats, humanity has always been captivated by the myriad ways our world could cease to exist. Whether through religious prophecy or scientific prediction, we'll walk you through some of the most mind-blowing theories. Some could unfold over millennia, while others could happen in the blink of an eye. The goal is to inspire curiosity and understanding. So grab a seat and prepare for a journey through time and space. When we think about the end of the Earth, one of the first scenarios that comes to mind is an asteroid impact. Imagine a massive rock hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds, colliding with our planet. The most famous example is the asteroid that struck Earth 66 million years ago, leading to the extinction of the dinosaurs. The immediate impact would create a shockwave that could flatten entire cities and create a crater hundreds of miles wide. NASA and other space agencies are actively monitoring near-Earth objects, or NEOs, to predict and potentially deflect any threatening asteroids. Efforts like the DART mission aim to test our ability to change the trajectory of an asteroid, offering some hope for planetary defense. An asteroid impact serves as a humbling reminder of our vulnerability in the grand cosmic scheme. Another apocalyptic scenario that has fascinated and terrified us is the eruption of a supervolcano. Unlike regular volcanic eruptions, supervolcanoes are capable of ejecting more than 1,000 cubic kilometers of material into the atmosphere, with repercussions that would be felt globally. One of the most well-known supervolcanoes is the Yellowstone caldera, located in Wyoming, USA. What would happen if a supervolcano like Yellowstone were to erupt today? The immediate vicinity would be completely obliterated by pyroclastic flows. Ash would be expelled into the stratosphere, spreading across continents and causing a volcanic winter. This ash could block out sunlight for months or even years, disrupting photosynthesis and leading to widespread crop failures and food shortages. The global temperature would drop significantly, creating a prolonged winter that could last for years. Monitoring supervolcanoes is a complex task, and predicting an eruption with any certainty remains challenging. In summary, a supervolcano eruption is a reminder of the immense power hidden beneath the Earth's surface. The threat of nuclear war has loomed over humanity since the development of nuclear weapons in the mid-20th century. A global nuclear conflict could lead to immediate and devastating consequences, not just for the nations involved, but for the entire planet. The detonation of multiple nuclear weapons would result in massive loss of life, infrastructure destruction, and long-term environmental damage. One of the most alarming aspects of nuclear war is the concept of nuclear winter. This sudden drop in temperature could last for months or even years, leading to widespread crop failures and food shortages. Radiation from nuclear fallout would pose an additional threat, causing acute health effects and long-term consequences. The geopolitical landscape has changed significantly since the Cold War, but the risk of nuclear conflict has not disappeared. In essence, nuclear war represents a uniquely human threat to our planet. Chapter 4: Climate Change. Climate change is not just a future threat, it is a crisis unfolding before our eyes. Driven by human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation, climate change is causing global temperatures to rise, leading to profound and far-reaching impacts. One of the most immediate consequences of climate change is the increase in extreme weather events. Hurricanes, heat waves, droughts, and floods are becoming more frequent and intense, causing widespread damage and loss of life. Rising sea levels, driven by the melting of polar ice caps and glaciers, threaten to inundate coastal cities and displace millions of people. The effects of climate change on ecosystems are equally alarming, with species being forced to migrate, adapt, or face extinction. Addressing climate change requires urgent and sustained action, including transitioning to renewable energy sources and protecting natural habitats. In conclusion, climate change is a global challenge that demands immediate attention and collective effort. Chapter 5: Pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic has reminded us of the devastating impact that infectious diseases can have on our world. But what if the next pandemic were even more lethal and contagious? Imagine a virus that spreads as easily as the common cold but has a mortality rate similar to that of Ebola. Such a pathogen could overwhelm healthcare systems, leading to a staggering number of deaths and widespread panic. The rapid spread of a pandemic could lead to shortages of essential supplies, including food, medicine, and medical equipment. While advancements in medical science have improved our ability to respond to infectious diseases, the threat of a pandemic remains ever present. The development of vaccines and treatments is crucial, but so is the need for robust public health infrastructure and international cooperation. In summary, the threat of a global pandemic is a stark reminder of our vulnerability to infectious diseases. Chapter 6: Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, holds immense potential to transform our world for the better, but it also carries significant risks. As AI technology advances at an unprecedented pace, the possibility of it turning against humanity or causing unintended catastrophic events becomes a real concern. One of the primary fears is the emergence of a super-intelligent AI that surpasses human intelligence. Such an AI could potentially make decisions and take actions that are beyond our control or understanding. If its goals are not aligned with human values, it could lead to disastrous consequences. AI could also pose risks through more mundane but equally dangerous scenarios, such as autonomous weapons systems or AI-driven systems controlling critical infrastructure. Ethical considerations and governance are crucial in mitigating the risks associated with AI. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to revolutionize our world, it also poses significant risks that must be carefully managed. Chapter 7: Gamma-ray burst. A gamma-ray burst, or GRB, is one of the most energetic events in the universe, capable of releasing more energy in a few seconds than the sun will emit in its entire lifetime. If a GRB were to strike Earth, the intense radiation could strip away the planet's atmosphere, exposing the surface to harmful cosmic rays and ultraviolet radiation. This would lead to the destruction of the ozone layer, which protects life from the sun's harmful rays. The impact on the climate would also be profound, causing drastic and sudden changes in weather patterns. Fortunately, GRBs are extremely rare, and the likelihood of one occurring close enough to Earth to cause such damage is low. In summary, while the probability of a GRB hitting Earth is low, the potential consequences are so dire that it remains a topic of scientific interest and concern. Chapter 8: Black Hole. The concept of a black hole passing through our solar system is a scenario that captures the imagination and induces a sense of awe and fear. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull. If a black hole were to approach our solar system, its gravitational influence would be felt long before it reached us. The orbits of planets and other celestial bodies would be disrupted, leading to chaotic gravitational interactions. As the black hole gets closer, its immense gravitational pull could start to strip material from the outer planets, creating spectacular but deadly cosmic phenomena. If a black hole were to come near Earth, the consequences would be catastrophic, causing massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. While such a scenario is highly improbable, black holes remain a subject of intense study in astrophysics. In conclusion, the idea of a black hole passing through our solar system is a fascinating but highly unlikely scenario. Chapter 9: Alien Invasion. The possibility of an alien invasion has been a staple of science fiction for decades, capturing the imagination of people around the world. But what if it were to happen in reality? The potential consequences of a hostile alien invasion are both fascinating and terrifying. The universe is vast, with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars and potentially habitable planets. While the probability of life existing elsewhere is high, the chances of encountering a technologically advanced civilization capable of interstellar travel are much lower. If an alien civilization were to discover Earth and decide to invade, the outcome would depend on their technological capabilities and intentions. A highly advanced civilization could possess weapons and technology far beyond our current understanding, making resistance futile. The impact of an alien invasion on human society would be profound, challenging our beliefs and understanding of the universe. In conclusion, while an alien invasion remains a speculative scenario, it raises important questions about our preparedness and resilience.